Yo guys, what's up? Hopefully everybody's had a good weekend. Anyway, we're starting Monday, back into it. So over the weekend, you can see I made a couple bids on a couple NFTs. I got one finally after a few attempts. Now they did refund my money after I did pay, and they gave it back. Okay. However, let's take a look at everything. You can see I did a payment and then they refunded it, and I did another payment and then they refunded it. So every time you make a payment, they take your CRO and transfer it into USDC when they bring it back. Now that's not cool because that's going to trigger a taxable event if you have an increase on your CRO, which I did. And then you don't get the NFT, and on top of that, I mean, it's just a bad deal, right? Because the CRO could be going up in value while the transfer is in process. So that's not cool. I want to hold CRO for the long term, and that's the only way you can pretty much pay for the NFTs. So the other thing I wanted to try over the weekend is I wanted to try on bidding one of the things that have already been out there, right, in NFT in the NFT marketplace. So I placed a bid, and I said, okay, I'm going to buy this for this amount, 130. So I said, okay, it'll cost you 616.8 CRO, and I was like, okay, that's cool. But what I didn't realize is they want the money up front when you place the bid. It's not like eBay, right, where you bid on it and then you pay at the end when you win. You bid on it here, they make you front the money, and then if you don't win, they refund the money. And in the process, they sell your CRO off, and then they give you USDC back. I was like, what the heck? This is not cool. So this whole system needs to be fixed. I mean, I'm not happy with crypto.com whatsoever right now. This is not really a good system, and I'm not very happy. So I just want to let you guys know. I want you guys to be aware of this. A lot of you probably already know, but those of you who don't, just want you to be aware this is going on. Okay? Now, you can see here the price is currently 21 cents, about 22 cents. All right, 21.89. Now, I bought CRO back when it was 6 cents, some of them. Right? So that's going to trigger a taxable event, probably, but most of my purchases were between 17 and 21 cents. So maybe not a huge deal, but I'm still probably going to owe some taxes. So not cool. And then I have USDC, right? Which isn't a bad thing, right? I have $131. So it's not terrible, or 130.32, which isn't terrible, right? I mean, it's okay. But I'd rather have the CRO. I don't really want stablecoin. So anyway, I'm gonna dollar cost average back into this again. You see, I've been making a few purchases of CRO. Right, I'm trying to dump all that USDC back in there. It's crazy. I was just hoping. I don't know what I want anymore. This is crazy. So USDC. I'm gonna dollar cost average in. So I want to do 200. I'm not sure if I want the price to go up or the price to go down at this point. Kind of want it to go down because I want to get back in. But then again, I want it to go to the moon, so it's really hard to say. And this graph is terrible. Look at this graph. It's saying that the price is way up there. It's not really. I don't really get it. Crypto.com has a lot of work to do on their software and their NFT marketplace. I know it's pretty new and a lot of bugs to work out, but I really hope they fix this a little bit. I'm not very happy. Alright guys, remember to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm for me. Thanks, appreciate that. And you get the daily options trade along with crypto news, and hopefully we'll make some money. Alright guys, thanks for watching.